Hello. This problem is to find the area of rectangle. To solve this problem, we need some auxiliary line. This one and this one and this one, this one, and like this. These angles are all right angle. This is 10. So the vertical line is 20. Here 10. Here 9. We only have to find this line and this line. Here we can see two right triangles. In left triangle, this is 13 because here 9, here 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. And here 11, here 4, so this is 11 minus 4, 7. So using Pythagorean theorem, we can find this length. Root 13 square minus 7 square equal root 13 minus 7, 13 plus 7. You know this is factorization. Then 6 times 12, 112. So 2 root 30. And let's go this triangle. Here 14. And here 4, so this is 6. Then this line is root 14 square minus 6 square equal root 14 minus 6, 14 plus 6 equal root 8 times 20, 160. So this is 4 root 10. Then we found horizontal line. 9 plus 2 root 30 plus 4 root 10 plus 10 equal 19 plus 2 root 30 plus 4 root 10. Finally, the area of this rectangle is 20 times 9 plus 19 plus 2 root 30 plus 4 root 10 equal 380 plus 40 root 30 plus 80 root 10. Finish it. This is answer. Thank you.